I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the skin and taking immediate action. Clean and dry the area and trim excess hair so tape sticks. Once done, cut 1 or 2 strips about 2-3 cm wide and round the ends to reduce lifting. Make a small anchor. Lay the first 2-3 cm with no stretch to protect the skin, then apply the working portion with a light 10-20% stretch where you need support. You'll feel the tape settle. Press edges firmly to seal. Now you shape the tape to provide directional support. Position the neck neutrally, then place the center of the strip over the muscle belly with the desired 10-25% stretch, avoiding direct application on the spine. Once you've applied the main strip, add cross or Y strips for broader support or motion control. These distribute load and reduce pull. Make sure to smooth the adhesive from center outward and rub for 30-60 seconds. Finish by checking function. Move your neck through normal range of motion and confirm the tape assists without restricting breathing or causing numbness. If the edges lift, press and resmooth. If there's persistent peel, add a short anchor patch. To remove, pull slowly back along the skin line while supporting the skin or soak with oil to ease removal. If you experience increasing redness, intense pain, or tingling for more than 20 minutes, remove immediately and consult a clinician. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.